we shall always
protest about this. Madam.
The issue began when CVC Plaza sold shop directly to sitting tenants through authorized agents. These buyers have lawfully paid for their properties, began to operate as full owners. However, in a shock run of events, CVC Plaza allegedly resold the entire plaza in blocks to a single buyer without disclosing the prior individual ownership agreement. This matter is in court. Why will the owner of CVC Plaza still collecting money from tenants? He should cease forthwith until the determination of this suit in the court with report of physical intimidation, higher talks, and psychological harassment aimed at suppressing the shop owners, legitimate claims, and business owners. This gross abuse of power and manipulation of the justice system has left families economically crippled and emotionally traumatized.